Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another informative and useful video. So guys, in this video I will tell you how to fix not everyone can send message to this account. So guys, if you are facing this problem, then how can you fix it? So guys, let's start our video without wasting any time. So guys, first of all you have to just simply open settings, and you have to make sure that you are properly connected on internet and there is no connected VPN on your device. If there have a connected VPN, then disconnect it, and after that just simply go back, open App Store, tap on search bar and search here for Instagram, and after that you have to make sure that there is no update on the app. If there have any update, then simply update and check if the problem is fixed or not. If the problem is still there guys, then you have to just simply close this page, open setting again, and from here guys just simply scroll to below, then tap on journal, and from here guys just simply tap on iPhone storage and locate Instagram app. Tap on this, and from here guys just simply offload the app and reinstall app and check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there guys, then you have to just simply close this page, open Instagram, tap on here, and after that just simply tap on notification, tap on messages and enable all notification on, and after that simply go back and scroll it below, then tap on messages and stories, tap on message control, tap on here your follower on Instagram and tap on this message request, and after that if the receiver will not accept your request, then you will be unable to send message. So that's it for today guys, hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.